Hi there, students. Huggermugger. Huggermugger. You can have it with a hyphen or you can have it as one word. Okay, this can act as a noun, an adjective, an adverb, and a verb as well. Okay, there are two different meanings to this. The first one means disordered, chaotic, jumbled up. So he piled the things hugger-mugger on the table with no order. There were books hugger-mugger all over the room. Things in my study are hugger-mugger piled on top of each other. And to me, this is the most common meaning. You can use hugger-mugger as well to mean secrecy, to keep secret, to act in a secretive way. The children are so hugger-mugger that I'm certain they're up to something. They are so hugger-mugger about their new plans. They are hugger-mugger about what they're going to do. So it's secret, and I guess they're hugger-muggering about this party because it's going to be a surprise party. I think most commonly hugger-mugger, an adjective or an adverb. You could have it as a noun. The verb is possible but unusual. Let's see. I think this phrase hugger-mugger is a bit old-fashioned. But I think you can still use it. It sounds a bit like, I don't know, maybe one of my parents or my grandmother. I'm not sure younger people still use it. Okay, but so hugger-mugger, disorderly, in a muddle, in a confusion, or secret, clandestine. Okay, so hugger-mugger, a hugger-mugger pile of clothes, higgledy-piggledy, topsy-turvy, jumbled up, untidy, disorganized. His life is very hugger-mugger, very disorganized. But then also clandestine, hidden, cloak and dagger, hush hush. He's always very hugger-mugger about what he's doing. He's hugger-mugger about his life. He's very secret and superstitious. Hugger-mugger, in secrecy. All of this was done in hugger-mugger. So, what about formality? I think I would probably give this a 4 in formality, but I would say 4 middle class, old-fashioned, so be careful where you use it. I think more formally, or just more neutrally, disordered, jumbled up, or secret, or clandestine, or something like that. And then as to origin, there are one or two suggested things, but they say this phrase hugger-mugger has been around since the 16th century, but it's with lots and lots of different spellings. There was one suggestion that maybe it comes from the Anglo-Irish phrase cugger-mugger, a whispering or a low-voiced gossip, but I'm not sure. I'd be interested to hear any ideas you have. Okay, so I would recommend using it as an adjective or a noun or an adverb. Either disordered, piled everywhere, and to me that's the most common meaning, or in secrecy. So don't be hugger-mugger about the wonderful qualities of my channel. Anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Hugger-mugger.